Welcome to Turtle Tough, where we specialize in crafting tailor-made solutions for the world's most demanding industrial liquid analysis applications. Our mission is clear: to provide you with the most reliable, accurate, and durable sensors and instrumentation for your specific needs. Today, we are here to guide you through our application form, a critical step in unlocking the precision solutions tailored just for you. Filling out the Turtle Tough application form is more than just a procedural step, it's the beginning of a partnership. It's crucial that you complete this form with the utmost attention to detail. Why? Because every piece of information you provide is instrumental in helping our engineers understand your unique challenges and requirements. This isn't just about selling you a product, it's about solving your problems. The form starts with the basics: your contact information. This may seem straightforward, but it's the gateway to personalized service. From there, we dive deeper into your specific application type. Whether it's pH measurement, conductivity, dissolved oxygen, or something more specialized, identifying your application type is the first step in tailoring our solution. Next, we ask about your process environment. What are you processing? What chemicals and conditions will the sensor be exposed to? This information is crucial for selecting materials and designs that can withstand your operational demands. Remember, the more specific you are, the better equipped we are to create a solution that meets your exact needs. We then explore your current system's limitations, asking about the make and model of your existing analyzer and sensors, and how they've performed so far. This isn't just about what you need, it's about understanding what hasn't worked in the past, so we can improve on it. Installation and maintenance are critical to the success of any sensor system. Understanding your methods for installing, as well as how you clean and calibrate sensors, allows us to implement improvements in these crucial areas. By gathering insights into your installation techniques and maintenance routines, we can enhance ease of use and extend the longevity of our solutions, directly contributing to their overall success. It cannot be overstated how important it is to provide accurate and complete information. Turtle Tough thrives on precision not just in our products, but in our approach to your solutions. Inaccuracies or omissions can lead to solutions that are less than optimal, which is why we emphasize the significance of filling out the form carefully. Our commitment to you. At Turtle Tough, we understand that tackling an application form can seem daunting. But rest assured, this form is designed with a singular purpose: to take the mystery out of finding the perfect solution for your needs. Our team is here to support you every step of the way, from initial inquiry to final implementation. We invite you to take this important step with us and fill out the Turtle Tough application form to the best of your ability. It's more than a form, it's the foundation of a solution that will enhance your operations, reduce maintenance, and ultimately save you time and money. Thank you for considering Turtle Tough for your industrial liquid analysis needs. Together, we can achieve unparalleled reliability, accuracy, and durability in your process measurements. Let's embark on this journey to precision solutions together. If you would prefer to discuss these matters in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to our research and development team.